Stop buying weird bags, Rob.
So recently I picked up a DJI Mini 2. It's available in a Fly More kit that comes with a bag, but honestly, I saw this cool plastic blue and yellow bag on the website and thought it looked a lot cooler than the basic black one they came with, so I was looking forward to giving it a shot. It was weird. First, you have to finagle the drone into the drone pocket, and even with the propeller guard little rubber band thing, which I had to buy separately, like there's still an exposed top that feels kind of delicate, and you gotta squeeze it into this thing. But once it's in there, there's still like this extra space at the top. Then once you load in like the battery pack and the remote, like there's a nice bit of padding that kind of folds down to separate that chamber. But once you get the remote in, the back is like super tight. Like granted, like it's not very padded, so it doesn't feel very protected, but it's really bulging in the back, whereas the drone's kind of flopping around in this like front chamber. It does have an extra pocket where you can shove, stuff in there, but it's just a very weirdly proportioned bag. And, it's like, I guess it would make sense for another drone, like, maybe the Mavic Air 2, except it specifically says mini bag on the strap. Yet the pocket is like way bigger than the Mini itself. So just the overall proportions of this bag are odd, and it offers very little in the way of protection. Contrast that with the bag I looked at last year, like the Peak Sling 5, and everything slides in there easy, and the structure of the bag makes the whole thing feel generally well protected. Also, the Sling just fits my proportions a lot better. I thought the strap length on the DJI Mini Bag was way too short to wear across my chest. Like it just snugged up way too high. So yeah, no, this bag kind of sucks. It's getting reboxed. Sticking with my Peak.